Hello everyone, welcome to Kathmandu. I just reached yesterday night by 7. It was total like 40-hour journey for me because I decided to come by road, so it was long enough. I could have come by air, but you don't get to know nothing. मैम सिम मिल जाएगा अभी? यहाँ से कहाँ पे मिलेगा? And laundry अगर देना हो, कपड़े अगर धोने के लिए देने हो, this way? Okay. So right now I just have to give my clothes for washing. Laundry, okay. Let's see how much they charge. This is the laundry in Nepal. How much are your charges? कितने charges हैं? How much you charge for? Like you charge per cloth or per?
Yeah, per piece.
Per piece?
Yeah.
How much per piece?
Minimum 50 to 500.
150
Yeah.
per piece.
No, sorry, look at it.
Please.
Piece per per piece 50 rupees.
50 rupees.
Yeah.
Just have a look and let me know how much will be total.
Per piece 50 rupees.
Anything less?
No.
And you will iron it, all clothes?
800.
800. And what about the small ones? Same price?
Yeah, same.
And when can you give?
No discount, sir.
When you will give?
Fixed rate.
When you will give to back after washing?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
Where are you from, sir? I'm from Punjab.
Punjab.
Okay, so I will come tomorrow 9.
Yeah.
I am staying in Exotic. Okay? 800, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Any slip or token you will give? No? Just like this? Okay. Okay, fine, thank you. I just gave clothes for washing. They said they will give in by tomorrow 9. Because otherwise sometimes when you are giving clothes for washing, whenever you are traveling, it takes too much long. And some people don't iron the clothes, some people iron the clothes also. So they will do iron, including like 50 Nepali rupees, which is like 30 rupees, 30 Indian. So that is like good price. Truly speaking, I don't know where I am walking right now, but this is the like local market or street you can say of Kathmandu. So I'm just looking for a new SIM. I don't know how much it will cost, how much will be the price. I don't know nothing, but without SIM card I'm feeling like you can imagine how it feels like without internet. So it's been not too much long since I reached, so it's just morning I spent without internet, but there was internet at my hotel, so it is no problem. I need to ask someone how, like, what will be the price. Hello brother, I need to buy SIM card. Which company is better and what will be the price, genuine price? And any shop nearby?
SIM card.
SIM card.
NCell.
NCell?
Yes.
And how much will be the price for new SIM card? They will give to me, na? On a tourist, they give SIM cards?
200.
200 Nepali for SIM card. And how much is recharge per month? No idea. You are not doing recharge?
NTC. Using NTC.
You are using
NTC.
NTC. It is different.
Yeah.
And any shop nearby? I don't know. Which shop?
10 minutes. Go and stop.
10 minutes walk. Going straight from here? Okay, thank you. I am from Punjab. My name is Karan. I just reached last night. Okay. Okay, I will see. Just straight from here, right? Okay, thank you. What's your good name? Huh? Binod. Okay. You are from Kathmandu? So he said I need to go straight and I need to walk for 10 minutes. Then there is one shop. From there I can buy SIM card. He said 200 Nepali rupees, but I don't think so. It's that much less. Let's see how much will be the price. But I really don't know which shop I will get. Hello, you have SIM card?
SIM card.
Which shop I will get? Don't know. Hello sir, do you know where will I get SIM card? New SIM card. नया SIM card कहाँ मिलेगा? मालूम नहीं. कोई thank you. It's strange, locals don't know where I will get the SIM card. So I think there is one shop right in front of me from where I can get SIM card. It's some mobile repairing center, I don't know. And in front there also. Do you have SIM card? From there I will get? Okay, thank you. And how much will be price?
I don't know, maybe 400, 500.
400, 500, Nepali, right? So he said like 400, 500 as per I told, like it will not be 200 like he was saying back there. So this is the shop, you know. Hello ma'am, I need SIM card. Which companies you have? NCell. It is working in Pokhara, Chitwan. Fine. And how much will be price? With internet. Not too much internet, like just like receiving messages, that much. Sorry?
100 rupees SIM card.
Okay.
You have to use internet data pack.
Not too much I need, but I'm here for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So I need just for messages. Because otherwise,
Only message, not
Message.
internet.
not too much internet I need. Not too much
100
GB.
SIM card. You are calling balance 100, 200, 300, but you have choice.
Uh-huh.
You have internet use 399, 9 GB, 499, 20 GB,
Okay.
599, 60 GB,
Okay. Okay, I will go with 399.
399,
Yes.
9 GB.
Okay.
We have calling balance extra, 100, 200, 50 rupees.
That is separate. Separate. Okay. In 100 minutes, how much you are saying for calling?
Well, then for India, no minute 3 rupees.
Per minute 3 rupees. Indian?
India. No, India. India call
Okay.
4 minutes.
3.
Local call
And how much minutes you are giving?
100 rupees. We are talking 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And if we are calling local here in Nepal,
50 minutes.
okay, then give just decent. I will recharge again if I will give whatever you
You
think
have
is suitable.
India.
I have passport.
You have
Passport will be fine.
Wait, online.
Okay. So it's like it's available. Its network is good and you don't have any unlimited packs like we have in India. We have to pay like in India we pay 500.
Limited.
Just limited for everyone.
Limited.
It's expensive, na, here in Nepal.
No expensive. You are calling India to Nepal, 16 rupees EIC.
Uh-huh.
You call you India, 3 rupees in
No,
Nepal.
not calling. I'm talking about data.
Okay, data no problem.
Data is expensive, na, here.
No expensive, limited.
Not
No
expensive.
expensive data.
Like 399. In 399 you are getting
India only
9
Nepal.
GB, na. In India it's cheap. In India we are getting in 200 for whole month.
Unlimited.
For whole month, it's like unlimited. 50-60 GB we are getting.
You have 888 rupees, 88 GB,
Uh-huh.
1 month.
Yeah.
599, 30 plus 30
It's
extra.
better. People must be using phone less here.
Limited you tourist pack.
Uh-huh. Sorry? Pardon me? Yes, sir. Grandfather also?
Yeah, YouTuber.
Yeah.
Already.
Photo? Sorry? Phone here?
Nepal government
Right.
India का पैसा
अच्छा, photo click. Package.
Internet.
It's 39. Which can I see? Packages.
Biggest, highest, this one 888, 80 gigabyte,
Okay.
499, 20 gigabyte, 399, 9 plus 3 GB extra. You have to use your YouTube, Viber, WhatsApp,
Okay.
9 GB with them. 599,
How much is this?
30 extra 30, 60.
60 GB.
Yeah. 30 plus 30
GB.
GB.
This is fine.
It's fine.
Hana? This is better. It's like with bonus or something.
Yeah, bonus
This
30
is better.
gigabyte.
Is it possible if you can give me one bill of bill of this purchase?
One day.
No, bill of buying SIM. You can give?
No, sorry.
No?
Calling balance.
Calling balance just 100 minutes.
100 minutes.
No, 100 minutes. Yeah,
Can I see
100,
package?
300,
Rupees, or?
Rupees.
yeah, Nepal.
200.
200, 300, 500, 1000,
What is cost of calling within Nepal?
2 rupees.
2 rupees per minute.
2 rupees, yeah.
2 rupees per minute. So just do 100,
200,
100, 100.
200.
Just 100.
After you.
After I can recharge it according to my need. That's it. Okay. Thank you, sir. Your good name?
Surendra.
Surendra. And आपका?
Saroj sister.
Saurabh?
Saroja.
Saroja.
Yes. Yeah.
My name is Karan. Bye. So that was quick. Like they charge like $5.99 for data for 60 GB data per month. It was some offer, and 100 rupees they put top up balance, and other than that 100 rupees for the SIM. So total 800 I paid them. I have it for 1 month validity, but I'm just here for 2 weeks. So as per I saw or I feel, data internet is expensive in Nepal than India. In India we are getting like 200-300 we are getting for 1 month unlimited, but not here. Not even calling is unlimited here. So you just get limited minutes. Like for if you will speak to a Nepali number, it's like 2 rupees for 1 minute. And if you call in India, it will be 3 rupees. They said from Nepal to India, if you will call, it will be 3 rupees. So it is like expensive than India.